Hey superstars, I'm Sue and welcome to my channel, Reviews with Sue. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting our channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Sue and I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. So would you like to know what today's unboxing's all about? Well, I have some products to share with you from Biggest Craft. And if you want to know what's inside these packages, then just keep on watching.
Doing reviews just like I do. Hanging out with your friends too. It's Sue.
And I'm back. I have some products to share with you from The Biggest Craft. The Biggest Craft did reach out to me and asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them by sharing some of their items with you all. So that's what they did. They sent me over some items and I even got to pick them out myself. So if you're not familiar with The Biggest Craft, it is a website where you can purchase deeply discounted items. The kind of items they specialize in is cross-stitch as well as a whole array of different type of tools. Each week, they are going to be adding more and more items to their website. So if you go there 1 week and you go back like maybe 2 weeks later, you might see a whole array of different items. So because I am collaborating with them in this video, they did give me a discount code I could pass on to you. It is SUE2, and that is going to give you $2 off your very first order. I am going to leave all their information down below in the description box just in case you want to check it out for yourself. Now I do have a giveaway going on as well, so if you want to look in the description box all the way at the bottom, you'll find that link for that and you can see if that's something you might want to enter. So let's go ahead and get into the little items that I did pick out. So I'm going to start off with the smallest item, and that is going to be this item right here. This was actually 99 cents, and this was going to be picked at random. This is some of that finger bandage. So you know when you're doing any type of needle pointing or anything that has like a sharp object and how it pokes into your fingers? Well, this is supposed to like help that so it doesn't actually pierce your fingers. So let me go ahead and show it to you. This is what it looks like. Again, this is going to come in a random color, but I really like the one that they actually did pick out for me. So this is Sports Self-Adhesive Elastic Finger Bandage Wrap Tape. And again, it is going to be in a random color. And yes, I really do like that color. And look, it actually matches my shirt. I promise, I did not plan that. But let me go ahead and pull a little bit off just so you can kind of see it. So you can actually kind of see through it right there, right there. And what you can do is you just take it and you wrap it around your finger. So when you're doing anything that, you know, has any kind of a pointy end, this is going to help protect your skin from that. So you can see how it just clings right to my finger, just like that. This stuff is like really cool. I kind of like it. And if you ever hurt your finger at all and you put a Band-Aid on there, then you could actually wrap this around there just to kind of keep it, you know, clinging to your fingers. So that was the first item, 99 cents. Okay, then the next item is going to be all nicely wrapped in this bubble wrap right here. Now this was a 3-piece set and it was $1.99. And I'm telling you, their prices are really, really reasonable. Instead of me making a lot of noise, let me just go ahead and cut into this particular bag here and see what's in it, because I kind of forgot what was in here. Okay, so this is the little baggie that came inside this bubble wrap right here. And inside here, if I can get it open, oh my goodness. How do you get it open? There we go. Okay, I got it now. So this also came with some of that bandage tape right there. And look, I think it's like little cow print. Isn't that cute? I think it's cow print. Yep, that's what it kind of looks like to me anyways. I'm going to keep this one sealed up for right now, only because I already did a little demo on this one. And then also inside here is going to be this little item right here. And this is actually going to help you thread your needles. So there is that item. So you got it for a smaller one, and then you have one for a larger end right there. And then for the final item, it came with these little baby cutters right there. So this is so, you know, when you've got your string and you got to cut it, you're going to need something to cut it with. So let me pull this out of the package, and this is what these look like. And you just kind of go chop, 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 chop. So let's see, what can I chop here? Well, let me just do a little chop into this right here. So let's do this. Oh, yes, it cut perfectly. So those are those little scissors there. And again, $1.99 for all 3 pieces of that set there. And then for our next item, it's this one right here. This one was $4.99. This is the stainless steel sewing shears retro embroidery scissors for cross stitch. And you know, you don't have to use them just for cross stitch. You can use them for whatever you want to use them for. But let me go ahead and pull them out of the package so you can see them a little bit better. And ooh, they are like really, really pretty. So let me show them to you here. So you can see this part of it here is stainless steel. And then right here in the center, that piece of it's all gold. And let's see here. Chop, chop, chop. Yep, I'm thinking they're going to work pretty good. Let me go ahead and cut me another little piece of plastic and see how they work. Yep, they are cutting just perfectly. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm just like shredding this plastic. So these do work really well, and I'm sure I'm going to be using them for my cross stitch or maybe even some of my other crafting things that I do. Okay, those were some of the tools. Now we're going to get into some of the actual cross-stitching items. Now they have a huge array, like hundreds and hundreds of pages and choices of different things you can pick. I like to do things that are more on the simple side. So the first item that I picked that was actually a cross-stitch item was this item right here. This is the butterfly bookmark. It was $4.99, and look at how cute those little butterflies are right there. So let me go ahead and open this up so I can show you everything that's going to come included with this. It should actually have everything in there. This is one of those like DIY kits, and those are the kind that I love. So here it is here. Okay, so this is everything right there at a quick glance. And let me shift this over. And first of all, you have your print. So this is what it's going to look like here once it's finished. Hopefully that's what it's going to look like when it's finished. You just never know with me. Then it does have a little Ziploc baggie there, and you can see inside there are going to be 2 needles. And then it does have our material right here that we're going to do the cross stitching on. And then it also has here all the different threads that you need for that. And then you can see that they're all nicely attached to the cardboard here. So if I pulled it up, you could actually see them all like dangle from it. And then it also has here our little pen mark here, so where we have to like mark our little spots here on our material there. And then lastly, without untangling it all, you can see there is a cute little tassel there at the bottom. So it does come with everything that you need. Let me make sure I get that needle back in there so I don't lose any of the pieces. So there was that set. So now for our last item. Please don't laugh at me because this is going to be a Christmas banner pendant. I know it's not anywhere near Christmas time, but I figured if I got it now, I just might have it done in time for Christmas time. This item was $5.99, and look at it. Look at how cute this is. So I do believe it even comes with the little hanger right over here. This is the picture right there. That's what I'm going to be doing my little cross stitching of. It's going to be a little reindeer. He's all wrapped up in some little Christmas bulbs, and then you can see there is a little birdhouse too. Now this package I'm going to keep completely sealed only because I don't want to lose any of the pieces, but if I turn it over to the back, it does give us step-by-step instructions on how to complete the project. It even gives us our stitches down there and how to do the stitches. Now, I definitely need some help. This is going to definitely take me a little bit of time to do. This is a bigger project than I'm normal to because a lot of times I do things like this over here, which is like really basic. So I'm really looking forward to trying out all these wonderful items. Let me know if you cross-stitch. If you do, let me know what kind of projects you make down below in the comment section. I do want to thank The Biggest Craft again so much for sending this over. I so greatly appreciate it. All their information is going to be down below in the description box. Don't forget you can use my discount code SUE2 because that's going to give you $2 off your very first purchase. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider hitting that subscribe. A like on your it'd be great. And if you have an extra time, hop on over to Instagram. Follow me over there. It's Reviews with Sue, just like my channel name. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. So please be safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.